Start all over. Say it again.
Here's my peanut butter ball, and I'm going to roll it with sugar.
What are you making?
Peanut butter cookies.
For who?
Jimmy, for his birthday.
And what are you going to say to Jimmy?
Happy birthday, we got you a cookie present.
Nice.
And here is it. I'll put it on the cookie.
Okay. Now what are you doing, Gracie?
I'm planting them for crisscrosses.
Oh.
So I just press that one on this. Mimi press that side and I press on that side. Like X's.
Uh-huh. That's
There's
right.
going to be T's. Don't press too hard, you're going with the cookie. I love cookies. They are.
All right. Now, do you want to put sprinkles on them?
Yeah!
Because these are birthday cookies. Right? Do it quickly. Got to get them in the oven. Shake. Okay.
So I'm done with the cooking now. They're in the oven. Oven or the...
How many minutes, Gracie?
How many minutes?
12.
12 minutes.
Okay.